Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Social Club redirect issue site removed. This is only going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. And so with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open your browser right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead into Misfits. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and open your task manager just like that. And when the application is going to be right over here, the Rockstar Games, you can simply select it if you want and click on End Task. Once you've done that, what you want to do is, now the other thing you need to do is simply go ahead and right click on network and internet settings, and then simply go ahead into Ethernet. Make sure you're connected with Ethernet, and on the IP assignment, click on this. So normally it's going to be just automatic DHCP. On IPv4 you're going to turn it to manual, and then write your IP down, your subnet mask, your gateway, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.